Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party and Goa Suraksha Manch have formed an alliance, but on manifestos they differ. Thus, they released separate manifestos. The crucial issues of medium of instruction and casinos don't figure in the MGP manifesto. And the CM candidate of the alliance, Sudhin Davlikar, he is open to take BJP's support to form his government in case of a hung assembly.
Perhaps for the first time in the history, MG party released its manifesto also in Konkani, and it does not have a demand for making Marathi the official language. The GSM and Shiv Sena released a joint manifesto. It spoke about stopping casinos, EDMs and also grants to English medium primary schools. But the MGP did not touch all these issues. They say they will have a common minimum program after the election, not now.
Removing casino at this stage is not possible, my dear friend. It is very difficult. They will go in the Supreme Court. They will stop our everything. Even though act is changed, they will challenge the act. My issue हो पयलीं बसून आसा, आतांचो न्हय, जुनो इश्यू. आनी भाशेचो कसलोच मुद्दो घेवचो न्हय म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान घातला. त्या खातीर आमी सध्या भाशे विशीं, शिक्षणा विशीं, भाशेचेर संवर्धन कशें करतले ह्याचेरूच आमी लक्ष दिलां. हांव तांचे हेचेर हांव हें करूं शकना. हांव इतलेंच म्हणटा, भाशेचो मुद्दो ह्या वेळार नाका, कारण आमी मराठी आमी पयलीं पसून मराठीच वाले. तोही भाशेचो मुद्दो सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या गायडलायनी लागून घेवना. तसोच हेही गायडलायनी घेवना. आमचो प्रश्न आसा ग्रँट दिवप की ना, हो एकूच प्रश्न आसा. तो आमी आमचे भितर बसून आमी ठरयले.
टोटल जाहीरनामो जो आसा ताजी बेज जी आसा, ताजी बेज ही विवेकानंदांच्या विचारांची साक्षी ठेवून हो सगळो जाहीरनामो जो आसा तो गठीत केल्लो आसा.
The MGP, GSM and Shiv Sena have come together to defeat the BJP and make Sudhin Davlikar Goa's next chief minister. But the MGP does not mind joining hands with the BJP to form the new government if there is a hung assembly. This is how the alliance partners differ on the approach towards the BJP.
असे उथळ एकदम जेका काय भक्कम विचाराचो पायनो अशे तरेचे प्रोग्राम जे आसा ह्या गोंयच्या पक्षांनी, काँग्रेसीन आणि भाजपान जे आसा ते सगळ्यां समोर दवरलेले आसा. म्हणटाना मात आपण व्हडले IITN आणि विचारवंत असे भपके मारता. प्रत्यक्षान एक उथळ प्रकारचे जाहीरनामे जे आहा ते सगळ्या समोर दवरलेले आसा. आता भाजपाच्या जाहीरनाम्याच्या बाबतीत सांगतात ते सगळे 90% गोष्टी ज्यो आसा त्यो भाजपान ज्या तितुल्यो एक्झिक्यूट करूंक ना. फक्त काही आयते पैसे जे आसा, आमकां जो गोंयचो महसूल येता तितुले पैशांचे वाटप काम जे आसा ते कोणी सहज करू शकता.
We will not go with them. If they won't, let them come to us. With our this manifesto, if they are ready to join us, it is welcome.
Our chief reporter Glenn Costa with video journalist Yeshwant Parab.